Next exercise is press-ups. If you're struggling to have a press-up with good form, remember, okay, there'll be lots of different things going there. It could be some upper body strength, or it could be strengthening around here as well. So here are some alternatives. Okay. Press up against the wall. And again, don't think the head or the chin. Think the whole body. You can come up on your toes if you want. Press there and back. That's a good place to start. Then, same position here. Can I hold this position? Then lower myself down and up. Down and up. That's getting used to moving your body in a straight line. And then just for these muscles here and slightly in front of the shoulders, you can do things like bench dips here, which also help, or feet slightly wider apart, further away, which helps there. Okay. So that will help the strength area here. And then, if you want to, if it's the fact that your upper body's strong enough, with this middle bit collapses, then you can do things like we suggested doing here. That helps. But just holding this position here, or on your elbows, or on your side. Don't worry about holding it for immense amounts of time. Try and work up to 30 seconds. Here. 30 seconds here. And once you can do that, then start moving in different directions. There's no need to be able to hold this for more than 2 minutes. You need to move on once you can do that. For those who struggle holding it for a little bit, work up to 30 seconds. Okay, and then the other exercise is this one as well. Just get used to working the hips up and down. So from here, hips down, hips up, hips down, hips up. And this way, I'm working on my shoulder control and hips as well. So that then when I get into this position, I can press up and down. Okay. Lots of variety.